how to make your money work for you, but felt overwhelmed by the choices? Investing in mutual funds could be a great way to grow your wealth without having to be a financial expert. What exactly are mutual funds, and how can you use them to reach your financial goals? In today's video, we will dive into the world of mutual funds. We will cover what mutual funds are, how they work, the benefits of investing in them, and tips on how to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to make mutual funds a part of your investment strategy. Let's get started. But before we continue, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on any amazing and entertaining content. Also, for more updates, be sure to visit our website regularly at cryptogalorenews.live and follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore. What is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is essentially a collective investment vehicle that gathers money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets. This portfolio might include stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments. An asset management company, AMC, authorized by regulatory bodies, manages this pool of money and makes investment decisions on behalf of the investors. This system allows individuals to benefit from professional management and diversified investments without needing to handle the day-to-day details themselves. Investing through mutual funds simplifies the process and reduces the burden on individual investors. Types of mutual funds. Mutual funds generally fall into two main categories: open-end and closed-end funds. Open-end funds are flexible. They continually issue new units and redeem existing ones based on demand, meaning investors can buy or sell shares at any time. The value of these units is determined by the net asset value, NAV, of the fund, which is calculated daily. On the other hand, closed-end funds have a fixed number of shares issued through an initial public offering, IPO. These shares are traded on stock exchanges, and their prices fluctuate based on market conditions rather than NAV. Understanding these distinctions helps investors choose the fund that best suits their needs. Advantages of investing in mutual funds. Mutual funds offer several significant benefits, making them an attractive investment option. Firstly, they provide professional management, meaning experienced fund managers, supported by research teams, handle all investment decisions. This level of expertise can be challenging to match if managing investments independently. Additionally, mutual funds offer diversification, spreading investments across various assets to reduce risk. They also provide affordability, with low minimum investment requirements, allowing you to start investing with a small amount. Liquidity is another advantage. You can convert your investments into cash quickly, often within a few days. Lastly, mutual funds are well regulated, with oversight from authorities ensuring transparency and protecting investors. Different categories of mutual funds in Pakistan. Mutual funds are categorized based on their investment focus and risk levels. For example, equity funds invest primarily in stocks and aim for long-term growth, though they come with higher risk. Income funds focus on providing steady returns through investments in debt instruments like government bonds, offering lower risk compared to equity funds. Money market funds invest in short-term, low-risk securities and are suitable for investors seeking stability. Balanced funds combine equities and fixed income investments to provide both growth and regular income. Each category has distinct characteristics, allowing investors to select funds that align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Factors to consider before investing. Before investing in mutual funds, it's crucial to assess your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Understanding your objectives, whether you seek regular income, growth, or a mix of both, will guide your fund selection. Additionally, evaluate how much risk you are willing to take. Longer investment horizons typically allow for higher risk investments, such as equity funds, while shorter horizons might require more conservative choices, like money market funds. Considering these factors helps in choosing a mutual fund that fits your financial situation and goals. How to invest in mutual funds. To begin investing in mutual funds, start by verifying the license of the asset management company, AMC, through official channels. Once confirmed, contact the AMC to discuss your investment objectives and explore available funds. It's essential to ask questions about the fund's past performance, risks, and fees before making a commitment. Reviewing the offering documents and fund managers' reports will provide a clearer understanding of the fund's potential and strategy. Ensure you are comfortable with the answers and have a good grasp of the fund's features before proceeding. Documents needed for opening an account. Opening a mutual fund account involves a few important steps, and handling them carefully can make the process smoother. You'll start by filling out an application form, which is a key part of setting up your account. To complete this, you'll need to provide some essential documents, such as a copy of your CNIC and the completed application form. Additionally, you'll need to include a check or draft made out to the fund's trustee. Depending on the fund, you might also need to submit extra documents like a Zakat affidavit or a Know Your Customer (KYC) form. Taking the time to fill out these forms accurately and review all required documents ensures that your account is opened without any hitches, helping you start your investment journey on the right foot. How to redeem your units. Redeeming mutual fund units is a straightforward process, but it requires a bit of attention to detail. To redeem your units, you need to submit a request using the specific form provided by the fund, either at an authorized branch or through an online platform if the fund offers this option. Typically, your request will be processed within a few working days, often up to 6 days. It's crucial to understand how the redemption process works and to be aware of any fees that may apply. Knowing these details in advance helps ensure that you can access your funds when you need them without any surprises. Taking these steps can make managing your investments smoother and more predictable. Mutual fund fees and expenses. When investing in mutual funds, it's important to be aware of the associated fees and expenses, as they can impact your overall returns. Common fees include management fees, which are paid to the fund managers for their expertise and are expressed as an expense ratio. This ratio is a percentage of your investment and covers the fund's operating costs. Additionally, some mutual funds may charge sales loads, which are commissions paid either when you buy or sell the fund. There are 2 types of sales loads: front-end loads, paid when you purchase shares, and back-end loads, charged when you sell your shares. It's crucial to understand these fees and compare them across different funds to ensure you're getting good value for your investment. The role of mutual fund managers. Mutual fund managers play a key role in determining the performance of your investment. They are responsible for researching, selecting, and managing the assets within the fund according to its stated objectives. Their expertise in decision-making can significantly influence the fund's returns. A good fund manager uses their knowledge of financial markets and economic conditions to make informed investment choices. When choosing a mutual fund, consider the track record and experience of the fund manager. Look for managers with a history of strong performance and a clear investment strategy. This can give you confidence that your money is being managed effectively. Mutual funds offer a straightforward and effective way to invest, providing professional management, diversification, and accessibility. By understanding the various types of funds, assessing your investment goals, and carefully selecting the right fund, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. Thank you for joining us in exploring the fascinating world of mutual funds. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights to make informed investment decisions. For more resources and in-depth information, visit our website at cryptogalorenews.live. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at CryptoNewsGalore for the latest updates and news. Happy investing!